Welcome back. This is Bill and you're watching Crash Course Hotels. Today's Crash Course Hotel is the InterContinental Kuala Lumpur. Stay tuned for more details. Welcome to the InterContinental Kuala Lumpur. We're outside the entrance. This is a very impressive hotel. Here we're going to walk up to the front door and show you where you're going to be able to get picked up and dropped off right here in front, which is nice. A little extra foot traffic right now because they're doing construction down by the road. And I'm going to sneak in over here real quick while the doorman's helping some other guests to the right. Hard to open your own door here, I'll tell you that. As you can see, just an enormous space as far as the lobby. There's 2 restaurants down on this level, as well as 2 restaurants up on one. The checkout desk are here, as well as the restaurant that you, if you purchase breakfast, that they serve down to the right. Lots of friendly staff. Good morning, guys. I love how friendly they are here. Here's the view from up on the first floor, and you can tell why I'm not going to try to cover all this space. It's just enormous. Let's take a look at the room. I was upgraded. It wasn't a suite, but I didn't have any complaints. This room is literally like 3 rooms down from the lounge, which made going and grabbing afternoon tea or happy hour easy. Nice gesture from the hotel with a welcoming fruit basket there. And you can see lots of space in this room. I was able to set up and edit some videos and just relax. One of the things I really like about this hotel is it might be maybe a 10-minute walk to the KLCC Park, which we'll do a video on our other channel here shortly for you. Here in the closet, you have the iron and ironing board. Down there at the bottom, you had your slippers as well as a safe. It was a little rough getting to that safe, but other than that, pretty good. If you want to send clothes out, there's the laundry list right there. If you have the Elite status by IHG, they actually will launder 3 pieces of clothes a day for you for free, which was nice. There we have the robes, an extra pillow. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Nice shower head, as well as a wand in this shower. This one's closed in. Some of them aren't. Very nice. The toilets here have a bidet. A little fancier than some of the other locations. Everything works well. Hi, Mom. Yeah, Mom likes and subscribes, so she gets the shout out. Hint, hint. Nice garden tub there as well. Here's the fitness center. I had to sneak down here at like 3 in the morning to get this footage for you. This place is like the rest of everything here at the InterContinental, very large space and lots of guests down here using it. So I came down here multiple times trying to get where I wasn't interrupting the other guest, and it was just crazy. So we set an alarm for 3 o'clock in the morning to run down here and attempt to get this footage for you. There's bathrooms right there. We're not gonna go in there with a camera. uh, you just have to trust me on that one. Plenty of free weights, as well as pretty much anything you can think of as far as fitness equipment. And as far as a hotel gym, they cover a lot of bases here. You can see. I mean, look down. Look at the other end of the fitness center. I mean, it's just a very large space here, which people do make use of. There's down here we're about to walk by. They've got the yoga mats and the exercise balls. You can see right here they have the water dispenser for you, as well as towels to clean up the machines. If you can't find what you need to work out, I question whether you really want to work out. All right, let's take a look at the pool. This isn't a rooftop, obviously. I think it is like on 8. Um, but wow, once again, just a huge space. Plenty of seating out here. The landscaping is beautiful. Up here to the right, we have the bathrooms and the outdoor shower. And of course, waterfalls. You got to have some waterfalls by your pool. This space is just absolutely gorgeous. I didn't make use of this while I was there, but up here you can see you have someone that I believe we can order drinks and as well as take care of anything else you need. They definitely have like they have cabanas over on the other side. This pool area feels very open. All right, let's head back in on the same floor. By the way, this is the same floor as the fitness center as well as the spa. Here's the spa. A little ritzy for me, but if you're into the spa treatments, I'm sure they do an excellent job. Up on 2, they have the meeting rooms, and it did appear that they were having some form of conference, so I was gonna go quickly through this, just get you some shots here. You can tell they're getting set up for the day. If you needed a place to hold your meetings, I would say they have you covered. If you're finding value out of these crash course videos, do us a solid and click like and subscribe below. It really helps the channel. Now back to this episode. Thanks. Breakfast. So I would give credit to all the IHG hotels here in Southeast Asia. They have excellent breakfasts, uh, no matter what tier hotel you're staying at. But this being the Intercontinental, obviously, it's just next level. Uh, whether you want made to order eggs, like down here, this gentleman's doing, I forget, we'll have to look here. And then the choices are just crazy. I still question who is getting cereal. I don't get it. Look at that. Look at all the choices. All kinds of hot food that they change every morning. It's not the same things every day, which is nice. I mean, not like you didn't already have an amazing selection. Yeah, I come bother this guy way too much. Fresh fruit, yogurt. Of course, you can get your coffee or your espresso or your latte. Try to get you footage from multiple days just to kind of show you how they, change things up. Good morning. Once again, very friendly staff. Here, I just took a couple of photos in case my camera work was shoddy, which it normally is. Just trying to give the Intercontinental the credit they deserve because the breakfast was really good. As you can see, the obsession with fried noodles continues. This is outside the lounge. I was coming back from filming the fitness area for you, and this caught my eye. I thought it was cool how they're in there swimming, and with the lights, kind of looks cool. I tried breakfast. I did the tea time here. I did dinner up in the lounge or the happy hour with the hors d'oeuvres. The same standard of excellence that you saw downstairs, you get up here in the lounge. It's obviously a subset of what you would get, like, say, for breakfast, but you still can get made to order eggs. You can still get your coffee and your latte, and everything that you get up here in the lounge is just top notch. They had me trying all kinds of things that I normally wouldn't try if I went out. But because it's available in the lounge and like it's being made to the highest standard, a little more willing to try new things. Once again, the fresh fruit, I'd say they do a great job. All of these IHDs have really good fresh fruit. Look at all these little desserts. Oh my goodness. Here we go. More small little things for you to basically have a taste of something, which once again, everything's great. Here's a couple examples. Nice omelet to start out the day. Grabbed a little snack here. I believe this was from tea time one afternoon. Speaking of tea time, there's high tea. I didn't think that would be me, but I enjoyed every bit of it. I did eat dinner one night at the 165. It's about $20 for fish and chips with a watermelon drink. Uh, Everything tasted great. With that, I'm going to wrap this video up. Thanks for watching. Until next time, farewell.